Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make a quick video on fixing drawers on dressers and side tables. When I first started out refinishing furniture, I was very intimidated by fixing anything. In fact, when I messaged people, I would say, is there anything wrong with it? I don't know how to fix anything, so I just wanted to sand it, paint it, sell it. And so it was very intimidating, and it took me a long time to realize how easy it is to actually fix drawers. So I wanted to show you today, I'm working on these side tables. I'm still need a coat of paint on it, but before I do that, I wanted to make a quick video on fixing these parts of the drawers. So for a long time, like I said, I avoided it. And so then I started Googling, drawer slides, how to fix drawers. And of course on Amazon, I found these handy pieces. They come in 2-packs, and it is incredibly easy to fix these. In my last video, where I did the paint brushing and the rolling, I had screws missing in some of them, and so I had some extra screws and screwed those in, but now I'm gonna actually replace these parts in the drawers. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. We're gonna start by removing the old pieces. As you can see, this part is completely broken, and I'm gonna have to get this piece out. So we're gonna completely take this piece off right here first. You can see that the broken piece is still inside right there, so we're just gonna get that out. We're gonna unscrew it. Okay, and these are the two pieces that come together, and then we're gonna take this piece and we're just gonna pop it in. First, I'm gonna put the screw in. Now we're gonna take these pieces with the two smaller screws, and I'm gonna place it right here. There we go, it should fit nicely. Okay, and now you have a drawer that slides nicely and doesn't just fall out as soon as you open it, which is exactly what this drawer was doing. So I hope this helped some of you. I know this isn't an incredible video, and a lot of you probably already knew this, but for me, it just took a long time to realize how easy it was and how quickly I could get these pieces from Amazon. I hope this is encouraging to some of you who maybe we're struggling with this like I was at the beginning, and you can just see how easy it is and really inexpensive to be able to fix those drawer pieces. So thanks again for watching my channel. I appreciate all of you guys. Please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to comment on anything. And thanks again.